guys, today is the day. Welcome back to yet another 2.5 video. We are installing the 2.5 back in the NC. We got Philip back here helping us.
What's up?
And dude, today's the day. It's been like, I think like 5 months. Hopefully the day. Everything works. This thing is so dusty. It's been sitting in the corner of the garage for like 4 or 5 months. You guys know how long it is. Ooh, we went from the blown up 2.0 back here all the way to the new stage 1 cam 2.5 liter 33,000 mile motor with stage 1 cams, and then it's kind of just refreshed with all like the rear main, front main seals, and then that's basically it. It has like fresh gaskets. I got all new water lines for it, new drain line and all that, but oh, it's been a little bit longer process than I thought, but today's the day. Let's throw this thing in the car. We're getting it strapped up right now. So we have to, basically the way that you do it, if you have a car lift, is you're gonna, strap it up. We got to jack it all the way up so then we can just throw the subframe and roll it underneath the car and kind of just lower the car back down and then get it on these guys right here is where the subframe lays. But you guys can see AC is still in here, like I was saying, and then we have our slave cylinder right here. But whew, I can't wait to put our new rad in too, because that thing is sick. And for those of you guys that didn't see this already, we put all brand new DEI heat shielding under here, which is going to be so much better than the stock crap that was under here before, and give us a lot more heat savings down here. Here we go, up and away.
Oh, we've been doing this for a little while.
Dude, I know. We got this. We got that much space to go.
Very slowly.
Oh, I forgot we have the exhaust that's still attached. That's gonna hang up in there. It should be fun. I remember we went all the way up to where the back exhaust was.
Dude, I remember the top on this.
Hold on. Okay, e-brake is on still.
I have that milk shocked.
I remember we went. Keep going.
That should be about good right there.
You can go a little bit more. That's good right there. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like if you don't have a lift.
That happens in your pour.
This is what happens on your pour. And you have flat tires on your.
Yeah. All right.
We're gonna have to pull.
I think we'll have to rotate that.
But I remember if we rotate this, yeah, there we go. Yeah, now we have to turn it pretty hardcore. It's gonna hit, yeah. It's gotta come all the way out. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Let's not do that. Holy cow. Woo! So what we'll do, we'll come all the way out really good
jack
soon.
for this. Like pick it up and rotate.
I know, right? So we'll pull it back.
Yeah, gotta go in further.
That's actually pretty solid.
We're not hitting anything with like that toolbox there.
Oh, I don't think so. No, I think we're not even far.
We got like
close.
a whole 6 inches.
6 inches. There we go. That's all we need, dude.
6 inches is a lot, dude.
Look at that. Look at that, boy.
I think we'll probably bring it. Let's rotate it just a little bit more and then drop it down maybe a foot or so and readjust.
Let me put this line up.
This thing wants to rock.
We have to push this guy go back farther for sure because we got this frame right here. It's definitely got to go back far. Like, not far, but I mean like pretty close. All right, I think that's.
Alright, we're gonna be running this AC compressor in about 3 or 4 inches.
Gonna
be over here now to hold this out of the way. The AC compressor.
All right, you wanna look your way, I guess then.
Well, I'll watch that side, and you'll hold this side.
I'm gonna put this in here like this. As easy as that, boy.
Fucking sparks.
Was it?
There we go. Look at that.
Let's go, dude. Already cutting up the NC, but ladies and gentlemen, but the reason like they tell you to cut this off is because that would be absolute crap to like take this in and out because it's so much longer than the
real reason is weight reduction.
And it's hot as crap. Yeah,
you just cut it.
Damn.
What do you expect?
Well, guys, it is actually the next day, but Philip and I knocked out putting the motor back in the NC. It was definitely a little bit tedious, and as you guys could see, we had to do a little finagling. The steering shaft was definitely not easy to put in, and like I said, it's our first time putting it back in the car, and it was also our first time ever taking out of the car, like from the subframe and all that. But steering shaft was definitely a little bit of a challenge, and then also putting the AC back in. If you didn't have AC in this thing, honestly it would be pretty quick and easy, just because it's like all right there on the right side of the motor. But we got it back in, and now all we have to do now is just basically button everything up. So you guys can see, literally is in here. So now the next goal, the next video that you guys are gonna see is we're gonna be buttoning everything up. And you know, putting everything, you know, plugging everything back in, putting the new radiator in, hooking power steering up, putting the belts on and stuff. And other than that, we'll just put fluids in the car. We still have to wire up our gauges inside. I'm still waiting for the gauge pod that I bought. I'll show you guys that later, but we still have to hook up our boost gauge AFR combo, and then we have oil pressure and oil temp gauge, which is actually these guys right here. And then we'll just tee into this for the boost gauge and everything. But we are almost there. I couldn't appreciate Philip's help and all of Kevin's help and all that through the entire process. You know, Ryan and also Andrew came over, Yanni helping with the cams. But this thing is, you got the front wheels on, and you guys can actually see, check these RPF ones out. This is the first time you guys ever saw them on the front. Look how beefy those things are gonna be. 255, 17x9 RPF ones with a 255 tire. This thing's coming along, boys. I think we got probably 2 more videos, and then we'll have a first start of this thing, and I can't wait. Oh, I forgot, we gotta put the turbo stuff on too. So, you know, hooking all the turbo lines up, putting the turbo on, you know, basically next video you guys see is just buttoning up the entire thing, and honestly just getting it ready for the first start. But this thing is super close. It's cool to see that it's come from blown up 2.0, massive hole in the side, to a new cam 2.5 2015 Ford Fusion, and ready to go. Brand new seals on it and everything too. And it just looks basically like a stock motor. So I'm gonna stop rambling on. Definitely remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. We'll see you in the next one.